How to use the Law of Attraction app. To create a situation that you desire in your life, you need to use your imagination to construct it in your own mind. For example, to have more money than you have now. First, you need to realize how you would see yourself owning more money than now. You must ask yourself these questions. How would you dress? How would you feel about yourself being dressed differently? How would you speak? How would you feel about yourself speaking differently? How would you walk on the street? How would you feel about yourself walking differently? For example, would you feel more confident about yourself, more secure about the future? The moment you know for sure how you would feel, you must exercise that feeling. You don't need to say and do anything more. All you need to do is exercise the feeling of having the money as much as possible until the universe responds to your inner feelings and bring your request into reality. The law does not require anything else from you except the inner feeling of what you want in your life. As you observe your thoughts and inner feelings, you will realize that until now you only practice the inner feeling of the state you are at this moment. From now on, you must practice the feeling of being wealthy in your mind as much as possible and to make sure that you will stay away from the inner feeling of being something else than that. At first, this will be difficult, but the Law of Attraction app will help you create your objective and track your progress during the day. Every time you feel the state of being rich, you must tap on the objective chart to count your stats through the day. Follow this process several times a day and be sure that the state of prosperity in your inner feelings outnumber any other states. Remember that only feeling a state of prosperity will signal to the universe that you want to be in that state and will bring that state to you. You will have to be in that state as much as possible and do not let other states take over. Be sure that at the end of the day you had the inner feeling of prosperity many times more than any other feeling. The most important thing you need to remember is that the law of attraction is about sending back to you what you send out to the universe. So remember to track your progress to create the life you want. Another example is about using the law of attraction to bring love in your life. It starts with similar questions. How would you feel about yourself being involved in a relationship? How would you speak with other people? How would you feel about yourself speaking differently? How would you walk on the street? How would you feel about yourself walking differently? Would you feel more comfortable around other people, knowing that someone loves you? Would you smile more? Would you feel more confident about your life in general? To attract love in your life, you must practice the feeling of being in a state of being loved so that the universe may recognize your inner feelings as an order and bring into your life what you ask for. Do not allow yourself to feel any other states because the universe may receive that states as orders as well and bring them to you. Use the Law of Attraction app to track how many times during the day you are in the state that you desire and make sure that you tap each time to count your progress. The universe will not judge you and will respond to what you feel most. So pay close attention to what you feel and keep track of your states daily. May that you live a happy and fulfilling life.